I got one. Dad just caught a good one. That is a monster.
Good morning, cast and crew. Me and Corbin.
What's up, guys?
We are on our way to do some freshwater fishing finally after a long pause. We've been hitting the beaches and stuff because the bass have been pretty finicky. So on our way now to hit some freshwater fishing, do some bass fishing. It is 3:44 in the morning, so stay tuned. It's going to be a good day.
Not even 2 minutes in. And
we were up to, and we didn't even start filming.
3-pounder and like a 2-pounder.
Do you think this is about 2.5 maybe?
I'd say so.
Yeah, probably.
Corey knows just by looking.
They ain't that good. I mean, I'm decent, but
I'm gonna go in the back.
you look at it and tell you. Yeah, throw it straight towards that dock. There you go.
And let it sink.
Yeah.
Yep.
I let it go way down.
Yeah,
I just fished it really slow and
it's probably.
On less than 5. And they were both really good size.
yeah, not bad.
What? Oh, it's in the black thingy.
That one was 16 pounds. Try to put this on with
a He's got one.
Corey hooked up.
Is that another good? Oh, wow.
Look, I'm just gonna get all my hooks.
Oopsie. I'm surprised that was not no back.
just gotta hit the button.
Yeah. Oh, wait, here, come here real quick. Caught up.
Damn sunglasses.
There you go. Yeah, now you just gotta hit the button.
Just no frames of it.
What are you using? Corey.
Got a pretty big worm on. I got some up here. You want to use that worm?
Sure. I'm using.
What size hook you got on there?
I think a 5.
I don't think the hook really matters now. I mean, they're swallowing it.
Yeah, right?
I think a size 5.
I mean, with the bigger worm.
My phone?
Huh?
I said, is it on?
Oh, yeah. Point it down a little bit.
Really?
Yeah. Right there. Right. Oh, a little more up. Right there.
Fish 2 hooks, boy.
That's not a good sign.
Man, I got the mulch pack.
Yeah. It's awesome.
little bit.
They're sitting about right there.
Not hanging in the weeds, huh?
What's that?
Not hanging in the weeds at all, huh?
I mean, if I pulled out my flipping stick and went up there, I'd probably catch one. This is a little bit easier fishing. I ain't got to fight with him in the grass.
Ain't that the truth?
That's the only problem with that. They get hung up in it. You gotta try to get them out. My buddy in that tournament, there were 2 boats on this stretch fishing the grass.
Yeah.
And one of them got down here, another one got down here. He come up here, made a cast and caught a 3-pounder and left. And he's like, "They're right here," like telling them. And they went. I don't think they caught any of them here. The other guy.
Should I let it like sink on me?
Yep, just let it go all the way to the bottom and then just kind of slow.
Pop it up a couple times.
That or just really all you gotta do is just take your rod and just kind of bring it to you, and then stop it and let it sit there for 10 seconds, and then just kind of drag it to you, and let it sit there for 10 seconds. Cast. You can see the water's down about 1.5 feet. Hole there.
I got one. He's pretty good.
Oh, he took the worm too.
Hey.
Was that your speed worm?
Yeah. June bug. Oh, he's feisty, ain't he? Ooh.
We're all on the board now.
Let's go. I was just retrieving. I just let it sink. Man, he's feisty. Dang, I set the hook good on him. That's a nice one. Oh, decent. Nice.
Vision hasn't gone downhill yet, huh?
Oh yeah.
On the board.
That's why I got these on.
I was using the June bug speed worm. And I was retrieving.
We got a bunch of them.
Yeah, we have like a whole livestock on them.
Next paycheck we'll get a couple molds.
We get on them. We
Bait
fished them one time when my buddy had a live scope. And he caught one little fish out of it.
Hey, Jack, can you grab me my tractor?
Yeah, man.
Let's see what we got. Here's a jig.
I'm gonna throw a jig later
I'll throw it with you.
when we get out there.
Here you go. There's a hook.
I have a
Be careful, there's a hook just sitting in there.
blue and black jig.
Uh-oh. Fish out. Watch out. Here we go. I've got, if you want to throw one, I got some. Them are probably, that's probably too light.
Okay. Oh, yeah, Dad.
Not a bad one.
You're locked in now. See, this is the
bobber stopper go way up there. How is it the little dink hit like a tank and the big one didn't hit very hard at all?
Oh,
Probably just.
but he had a lot smaller worm. He
Yeah.
just opened his mouth up. Down the hatch it goes. He had to suck that and its worm down.
What you putting on, Corbs?
Huh?
What you trying to put on?
Just checking out the dog.
Man, it seems like the less I mess with it and the longer I let it sit, the more.
Are you using the
That's
same thing? I'm having it filmed right now, Dad.
Oh, it was that thing.
Yes. So
I saw him come up too. That was so hilarious. That's a nice one. Swallowed it. He said, "Ain't no way," and then that happened.
So I was reeling up and I got hung up on a piece that comes down like this.
What a beautiful bass.
I got hung up and I seen a fish behind it. And I'm like, oh great. He come up and sucked it up off the pole.
No way.
Yeah. And I'm like, I seen his gills flare up and I'm like,
I thought he was coming after mine.
that's wild, dude. I'm like, there's no way he come up to get that bait. And I seen his gills flare up. And I felt thunk and I'm like, there's absolutely no way.
Evidently, there is a way.
There's,
You take that in a tournament.
huh?
You take that one in a tournament.
For this lake, yeah, maybe your small one.
Go back under that dock.
I'm gonna fish right here real quick, and then we're gonna go back up there.
Here's another one under there?
100%.
My buddy, the one I was just talking to,
Yeah.
he fished a tournament during the winter time here, and he was fishing docks down on the kind of where we were at earlier.
Yeah.
He said that he caught 11 fish off of one dock on that.
I'll be happy with a crab.
Happy hits that.
Yeah.
I'm caught one.
Dang, I used a lot of percentage.
Didn't realize I had that.
Quick release.
I got it.
Get my hook back.
Oh, man. Oh, Corb's got one. Oh, nice. All right, good one, man.
That's right there. Where's Mom? Tell Hudson not to ride his bike down here.
What?
The hill.
That's all right.
Nice. 1.5 to 200. Can I catch right here?
Yeah, go ahead. Ooh, nice one. Yeah. Good one.
Dad just caught a good one. That is a monster. Oh yeah, we're definitely putting on. I'll land him. Just let film, hurry. I'm trying. That is a monster of a fish.
Not bad.